Hi, I'm Ami Parekh, founder and CEO of Stello AI. Stello AI is an AI-powered compensation planning company. We work with mid-size and large organizations to help them through compensation planning and enable saving money and retaining top talent. We have been participants of the Tampa Bay Wave Accelerator. It's been a phenomenal experience. Some of the things we really enjoyed and maybe did not expect was how proactive the team has been with connections, investor connections, new customer connections, advisor connections, and just the amount of proactiveness and efforts that the team made to go deep down to understand the company and figure out what would be the appropriate contacts and connections to make. The accelerator has also been very helpful for us in getting into the East Coast market as customers. So East Coast of United States has a lot of large companies, high revenue, high size, and not easy to get introductions to. But the Tampa Bay Wave team has been really good with a lot of the customer connections. We have come up with lots of new conversations, new leads, new ideas on where the future is going, what the real deep needs of the market are, and just overall really good connections. About the program in itself, couple of things that we really enjoyed and didn't expect was the part of the program called the CEO Roundtable. This is where the CEOs of the entire cohort got together, and we had a roundtable session on the highs and the lows, and some of the deep challenges that we have seen, maybe in the industry, maybe in the company, and just brainstormed great ideas on how to overcome them. So I think that was a really high value part of the program. Another amazing part of the program was the Alumni Connect. The Tampa Bay Wave has 37 cohorts and increasing and counting. And we were able to connect with a lot of the alumni companies, many of whom are now far bigger than where they were when they started the Tampa Bay Wave. So again, great advice, great connections, and the teams, whether alumni or the team itself has just been so friendly and forthcoming and really excited. In addition, this is a non-equity diluting program, so that's such a huge benefit that you can join and get a lot of benefits and not have to give a part of the company. So if you are a company considering application to the Tampa Bay Wave, I would highly encourage it. It's a fantastic team, and especially if East Coast companies are your target market, this is a really, really good program. All right, thank you.